Hi everyone, I'm Rosie. I've been a Thermomix consultant for more than 8 years, and I'm super excited to discover together how Thermomix can help you to cook delicious dishes, healthy dishes, all in one. So the menu for today is going to be freshly squeezed lemonade, broccoli salad, and shredded chicken. So let's start cooking. So let's start with the first recipe. Have you ever made lemonade from scratch? How long does it take you? So let's do it with the Thermomix. Let's just read on the screen and follow the steps. So first, it's going to be asking for 3 ounces of sugar. So I have my built-in scale, and as you can see, the scale is moving to get to 3.5 ounces. You can always do more. In this case, let's do 3.5. Now, let's click on the button and then click next. Now it's going to ask me to grind. And let's see what happens in only 10 seconds. Let's see the magic. Wow! Powdered sugar right here in my Thermomix in only 10 seconds. So now let's continue with the next step, which is adding my lemons. You don't need to peel, you don't need to squish. Yes, you're hearing okay. You're hearing right. Let me add the lemons. And I'm gonna click next. And now it's gonna ask me to crush it. 2 seconds. Now let's see what happened. Wow, I didn't need to peel, I didn't need to squish. Now it's gonna ask me to add some water. Again, I have my built-in scale, and it's asking me for 32 ounces of water. You can't go wrong, right? I click next. And then it's asking me to mix. So again, I just press on the button, and then for 10 seconds, we're gonna be mixing. Now, as you can see, the next step is to add my simmering basket. So I have it in here. There's even a video. You can play videos to learn more how to do it. And now let's try it. Let's serve it. Wow! Like I said, fresh lemonade. And you can add other ingredients. Let's say watermelon, let's say mango, let's say pineapple, whatever ingredient you want. Should I try it? Oh my gosh, it's so refreshing. So now let's go to our second recipe. And we're gonna be using the functions of chopping and mixing. Because how does your kitchen look like when you're chopping broccoli or, I don't know, cauliflower? So yes, with Thermomix it's so easy. So come with me and let's start adding all the ingredients. So I'm gonna start the recipe, and it's asking me for 10 ounces of raw broccoli. So I'm gonna put it in. I'm not even using any other equipment or utensils. So 10 ounces are here. Oh, perfect, 9.9. Now I'm gonna be adding some red bell pepper. You can do red, you can do yellow, you can do orange. It's gotta be just cutting. Then we're gonna be adding some apples. Again, you can use any other type of apple. This one is green. It's gonna be a little sour, but it's delicious. Pretty much this is my favorite. Now we're gonna be adding some pine nuts or sunflower seeds. I love just to add it. It needs to be 1 ounce, but honestly, you can do less, you can do more. And now, 1 ounce of olive oil. You can use whatever type of olive oil you want. Then we're gonna be adding some vinegar. You can use balsamic vinegar if you want. 1/2 ounce of, in this case, I think this is apple cider, right? So delicious, I can even smell right now. Now let's add some honey. Now, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard. Again, you can use whatever mustard you have. Now, some salt, just a pinch of salt, and just a pinch of pepper. Again, do you have in your house some white pepper? So you're more than welcome to do it. And now the magic happens. For 7 seconds, speed 4, and I'm gonna be chopping. And now let's see the final dish. Voila! I really wanna try it. You see, effortless, super clean. So now let's see it. Look at these. I can smell the honey, I can smell the vinegar. Now I'm so ready to try. It's crunchy, it's fresh. The dressing is perfect. We need to try this. So now it's time for our last recipe. So unfortunately, right, it's been so fast. So this function, we're gonna be highlighting the sauté. How does your kitchen looks like when you're sautéing an ingredient or a dish? Like or splashy or smelly? So you're gonna see the Thermomix, that's not gonna happen. So let's start with the recipe. And first, of course, I'm gonna be adding some oil. In this case, is 1.5 ounces of oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use any other type of oil. Guess what? You can even use lard or even bacon. Now, I'm gonna be adding some scallions. 1.5 ounces of scallions. I'm gonna click play, and for 3 minutes, we're gonna be sauteing. Now I can hear the sizzling, I can smell the flavor, I can even see the steam. Now, isn't it amazing that you don't need to worry about burning it? I mean, you're cooking chicken with a precise and controlled temperature. Wow, can you see this? It amazes me every time. Now the next step is to add my chicken. So it's gonna be 10.5 ounces of chicken, raw chicken, just cut it in cubes, just following the recipe. Now for the next step, you just need to read the instructions. You need to evenly distribute all the ingredients. And now that you're good, the next step is just to start with the sauté. So for 7 minutes at a perfect temperature, your chicken is gonna be done. Wow, it's done. Now let's see the outcome. In only 7 minutes, and we're ready. Wow, isn't it amazing? Now, we're gonna be just seasoning. You can use any seasoning that you want. Some salt, some lemon pepper, even some Middle East spices. We can use it for making some tostadas, some tacos. You can use it as a side dish, a protein dish. It's so versatile. So for 3 seconds, let's see what's gonna happen. And now it's done. Let's serve it. How long does it take you to shred chicken or any other protein? We saw it was only 3 seconds. I'm ready to try. Perfectly cooked, and the flavor is incredible. So as you saw, it took us a minute to cook a complete meal. A side dish, a super refreshing lemonade, and a protein dish. So this is perfect for when you are running behind, when you have a busy schedule, healthy, nutritious dishes just for your family, just by clicking a button with Thermomix. So make sure you book your personalized cooking demo and be amazed of what Thermomix can do in your kitchen.